Hello viewers, welcome to AudioViz 360. Today I have this JABRA Elite Active 75T. This has battery issue. So let me show you the problem. So once if I take here and put in the case, nothing is happening. Right side is completely dead. But here in left side, if you put in the case, sometimes light comes here, red light, which will blink for 3 times. Sometime it comes or sometime it doesn't come. So my doubt is the battery, and case is fine I think because it has charge. So it is almost at the end. Red light is glowing here, so if we charge this will be full. This light will start glowing in green. So the problem is battery, it is not at all working, completely dead on the left and right side. In this video I am going to show you how to replace the battery of this JABRA Elite Active 75T. So let me start without wasting any time. So I am going to replace the battery of this right side. So the left side is similar, you can do it by yourself. I will do replacement of this left side offline, not in this video because it is similar. So now to tear this down, we have to give some heat over here. So this has been pasted right around here at this point. So we have to give mild heat over here. Make sure that you are not going to give any more heat. You can use hair dryer also here, and also you can use heat air blower. Let me give some heat and I will show you how to take this apart without any marks. This the beauty of this AudioViz 360 channel is, so without any marks we replace the batteries of this type of earbud. So let's try again in this earbud without making any marks in this earbud. So let me replace the battery here. So alright, let me give some heat and take this apart. So I have given the heat and I have removed this has been glued. So I will show you the other one. I have given the heat for that, but I have not removed. You can see it is almost I have tried, it is good. Now we have to put force here, so to take this apart you can see how much force we have to give here. If you put too much force, there is a chances of breaking inside, so very carefully we have to try it. Can see this has been removed. So these are very difficult model to replace the battery. So if you want me to replace the battery of this JABRA Elite Active 75T and as well as JABRA Elite 75T, please do message on this above WhatsApp number. I am located here in Bangalore. So if you want me to replace the battery, you can come here physically if you are in Bangalore or nearby places, or if you are otherwise if you are from other part of India, you can just do speed post courier to my address. I will receive it, I will replace it and I will ship it back to your place. So alright, let me continue the video. This one I will keep it inside. So this is the other one which I have removed already. So I have to make sure very carefully I have to take out the battery because there is a flex cable here. Battery is behind this housing. So it is very challenging and very delicate, very expensive model, so we should be very careful doing this. So slowly just watch carefully. This I am taking this from this place. This is one more flex cable, you can see, very delicate. So we have to take this out, take apart like this. Then we have to slowly lift this housing here. You can see battery housing. So like this we have to take it apart. So nothing to worry. This is the main motherboard here, which I am going to keep this separately as of now. There will be flex cable here, no need to worry. It is bit fine. When we take this out, it will come out with that. There is least possibilities of breaking this flex cable while taking off this battery. But while removing this battery from this housing, we should be very careful because we should not break this flex cable with our hand force here. So alright, now the first step is I am going to slowly pry this board here, printed board. So it has been glued in the battery, so that terminal is directly touching the battery here as well. So you can see how slowly I am removing the glue here. So now the board has been removed completely. Now slowly we have to push the battery from other side like this, from this side to this side, so that the battery will come out from this side. So now you can see without damaging anything, flux cable is fine, everything is fine. The battery has been removed. So I am going to show you the battery once here. So this is the battery, lithium ion battery. If you want, you can pause and go through the details here. So these batteries are a bit difficult to get. This is Zenny power actually. So Zenny is hidden in this sticker, behind this sticker. So now I am going to replace the battery with this battery. You can see this is also lithium ion battery, but this is of polymer battery, lithium ion polymer. Both batteries are of almost same chemical, so same specification, size is also same. You can see almost 99% the size is also same. The capacity is also very good. This is first quality battery I am using here, so this is bit difficult to install because this is lithium ion polymer. This has these two wires, but here the body itself is the terminal in this battery. So we have to solder these two wires into this motherboard, as well as in this board. Behind this board we have to solder the negative actually. So positive is here. So these two terminals, you can see both are positive, same connection. We can solder either of these 2 points, and then we have to place the flex cable connector here. You can see there is a connector here. So this work is there. So now I am going to install this battery. So I am going to keep this battery separately, and this is the battery which I am going to install here. So now we have to clean the terminal that will be pasted here. So just by slowly lifting like this, you can see there is a glue here, so we have to clean this. So showing is a bit difficult, but still I will do it in the camera. Be careful, you should not break any flux cable here. If it breaks, there are two flux cables going from this point. So you can see, now I can show you in close up. So the part which I have cleaned, you can see it is copper coated. You can see it is glowing. Now we have to position the battery first, then I am going to solder here, or else we can solder first, then we can position. So just follow the steps if you want to do it by yourself. Make sure you are going to do very tough job here, because this is very difficult model. Now I am going to slowly apply the lead over this point. So I am going to apply the lead paste here. So after applying, I am going to solder it. Just to solder the wire, I am making sure that lead is accumulated on this plate. You can see now the lead has been touched over here, it is there. So similarly in this motherboard, so this is a positive terminal. So now I am going to slowly apply the lead paste here. You can see here, so I have applied the lead paste. Now I am going to slowly touch the point here, because if you keep it for too much of time, then this might be, if you keep it for too much of time soldering here, this may melt here. You can see now the point has come here properly. So done. Now it's time to solder and install the battery in the housing. So now you can see I have positioned the battery here, and I have installed the negative terminal to this body here. You can see this has been installed here. So everything is fine now. Just we have to install the positive of the battery to the motherboard here. So this is the motherboard. I am going to solder this red wire here, so this point. Then we have to install this flux cable. Where is it? Here you can see this is the flux cable which will go to this point. So let me solder this and I will install this. So now you can see I have installed the positive of the battery to the main motherboard here. Now simply we have to position this accordingly, so that we can install this connector of the flux cable to the motherboard. So let me do that. So almost I have positioned the earbuds here, battery here. So slowly we have to simply close this. I'm not going to paste it now. Without testing I cannot paste. So now slowly I'm going to insert in the earbuds case. I mean the main case of this Active 75T, Elite Active 75T. So now I'm going to keep it and close it. So let's see whether this gets turned on or not. Light has come. So if you take out, you can see blue light is coming. That means this has started. And let me it has already entered in the pairing mode because it is glowing in the blue, blinking in the blue color LED. So alright, so simply I am opening the Bluetooth page and doing refresh. You can see JABRA Elite Active 75T is already listed here. So I'm just clicking it so that it is asking allow access to your contacts and call history. I'm just clicking this checkbox and pressing this button, pairing button. Now you can see 70% is already charged, so it has been connected. Similarly we have to replace the battery of the other side. So after replacing the other side battery also, this will start pairing to each other. We keep in the housing, you can see 3 times red light is blinking. So this is perfectly working. It has been turned off. So if I close here and open after few seconds, the level of the battery light will glow here. You can see the green is coming. So that means it is almost charged, like above 70, and it is close to 80. That is the reason it is in green. So if it is less than 60, it will be orange. So this is how we can replace the battery of this side. So if you want me to replace the battery, please do message on the above WhatsApp number. Please avoid calling me directly because I get too many calls. I could not reply. So many people may feel bad. So even if you message through WhatsApp, I will try definitely to reply everyone so that we can get in touch with this issue. If you have issues like this, so we can replace the battery. This is Active 75T, Elite Active 75T of JABRA. So similarly there are Elite Active 65T, Elite 65T, then Elite 75T, and here in this case this is Elite Active 75T. I can replace the batteries of all the models of JABRA like Elite 2, Elite 3, Elite 4, Elite 5, Elite 6, Elite 7. There are so many models. So even if you have other brands like JBL, Sony, Bose, or any fancy models like Samsung, so please don't hesitate me to ask here. You can do message here. I will definitely reply here to this WhatsApp number. So I am from Bangalore here. If you want me to replace the battery, if you are from Bangalore or nearby places, you can directly come here physically so that I can replace the battery. But this takes lots of time to replace the battery. So if you want to send here, that is also fine. If you want to visit here, you have to wait for a lot of time to fix the battery. And in case if you are from other far distance places from north side like Delhi, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Kolkata, Maharashtra, you can always send this to my place here in Bangalore so that I can fix it. You can use speed post courier from India Post Office. That will be the cheaper options for us. So after replacing, I can send it back through the same speed post courier from India Post Office. So many people are sending here from all over India, from all the states. So thank you for all of them. So now it's time to simply paste these earbuds. So I'm going to use Araldite here. It is also known as the epoxy resin. So similarly I'm going to replace the battery of this side offline now. So both I will fix and come here immediately. So alright, I have pasted it completely. You can see how good it is looking. If your earbuds are oxidized, then peel off might be there, but this earbuds housing is not oxidized and it is positioned perfectly and the pasting has been done. You can see the work here very clean. Now it's time to put back in the earbuds case. So let's see the working functionality here. So you can see red light is blinking 3 times, perfectly working. So similarly red light is blinking 3 times. So this side is also working perfectly. Now it's time to close the earbuds case. Then now after a few seconds I'm going to open it. You can see it is charging perfectly. So that's it. It will come for few seconds. That's it. So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe to AudioViz 360 and hit that notification bell icon, and write comment in the comment section below if you have any queries. I have uploaded so many videos in this channel AudioViz 360. Please go through it. If you like it, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because if you subscribe, it will motivate me to make more of like these videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.